Common Sense Success business practice number 27 is to brainstorm to develop new ideas on a regular basis.
Well, when you have a management staff, you have a small percentage of your company that are leaders in most companies anyhow. So you have 5 or 6 people, or maybe 10 or 20 or 30 people. They have some ideas. But can you imagine if those people generate a lot of ideas? What if you had hundreds of people every month generating great ideas that would help you be more successful in your company? And that's the reason why we believe in brainstorming. Now, we did this in small groups, normally 5 to 10 people, and they would get together and we would have some challenge. We'd say, here's a challenge. We'll need to brainstorm ideas on how to overcome this challenge or to enhance this process. And they would come up with all these ideas. And we'd say, the sillier, the funnier. So it was a great session. Come up with some real dumb things, like, get a satellite dish and make all your calls and do all these things off a satellite dish, or buy a TV station. Well, those things were crazy, but a phase of that. Give an example. One thing is we loved having commercials played in our company, but we wanted commercials promoting our performance. So we made up our own commercials. And we would remind people of vacation, we would remind people of contests, we would remind people of what our objectives were, and they were fun because people made their own commercials up. That came out of a brainstorming session.
That's great. I have a brother-in-law who's a politician. He's a county commissioner in Ohio, and his offices are, at the county courthouse, which is right in the county seat. There's a lot of people in there that he's not directly over, but he has authority to assemble. How might this work in that setting, in the county courthouse, to have a brainstorming session? Like if you were a county commissioner, how might you harness this principle to gather from all these different elements in this building? I mean, you got judges and auditors and everything else.
Wouldn't you agree all these people have ideas about how we should be solving our problems? Just nobody listens to them, right? But what if they had a forum where on a monthly basis they met and they came up with all these ideas, radical or not, on how they could solve these challenges that the public is griping about? Wouldn't that be great? Don't you think they'd be motivated to come up with ideas? And what if you gave them credit for those ideas and plastered your picture someplace for the ideas they're coming up with? They'd love it. They'd love it. And I believe it'll work in any environment.
Great.